Guys, Jerry's here. Look at the storm. Look at that freaking hailing. Look at it. You see that? It's hailing. It's crap. And it's pouring.
Did you see two lightning?
Shut up. Holy freaking A. Look at the size of this thing. Holy freaking A. What is going on here, guys? And this is in Arizona.
Look how much time it's been raining and hailing.
Get back to sun now. Holy freaking A, guys. It's gonna melt before he even gets home. Holy cow, guys. What is going on here? It's cool, though. Look at the freaking size of those hail. You see another one. Holy frick. Holy cow, guys. Holy crap! Holy frick!
What did I tell you?
What the frick? Holy freaking crap!
Fucking close, huh?
You guys freaking see that? That freaking lightning bolt was like 300 feet away or something. Holy crap! Let me go. Please, guys, if you could share this video, like it, and keep it coming, guys. Holy freaking A, that was extremely close. Holy frick. Hail, rain, lightning in October. I don't think this has ever happened before. Frick, I'm staying the freaking side now. I want to get freaking shocked. Holy freaking crap. Ooh, man. We just came out from Phoenix yesterday, guys. And Phoenix, they freaking got a big ass storm. I think this is coming from Phoenix too. Because if you guys don't know, holy freaking A. See that, guys? It's freaking pouring this crap. Freaking A. This is what Phoenix got, guys. This storm right here tore down trees. It broke down gas station things, you know. Like the things that are above gas stations. Yeah, that fell down too. It's this storm that we're getting hit by, guys, right here. Get back aside. Oh! Holy crap, guys.
I'm putting something in here.
Why?
So I can't hear the lightning. I'm scared.
And if you guys don't know, we're home by ourselves right now because, because my auntie has to work and my mom's at work too, so nobody's here to watch us. Holy cow, guys. This is freaking, just turn this TV off. We do have a surge protector. It's right there, actually, but hail's still coming down, guys. It's still raining, pouring. Let's go ahead and venture out. Holy crap. Freaking A, man. Just freaking A. This is an epic storm. Looks like the hail's getting a bit smaller now, see? Not that piece of hail, but that piece of hail right there. Yeah, it's getting smaller. Holy crap, we getting a tornado storm or what?
Look at all that
back inside.
Like every time I go outside, it rains harder. But when you go up there, looks like I got these on.
Looks like the storm's calming down just a little bit. It's still freaking hailing and raining. But I think the lightning has stopped for now, I think. Yeah, see that, guys? It's slowing down a little bit now. There.
Slow down.
Finally calm down a little. It stopped hailing. But it's still raining. Holy cow, guys. Just look at that.
Yeah,
Look at that mess. Look at this. This hail. The size of, I don't know, gumballs. Those little small gumballs.
Pretty. So pretty. Stay in half. Stay in half. Go back in half.
I don't know what's wrong with my camera now. I think it's not focusing as well. So yeah, guys, that was an epic storm. Yeah, this is the exact storm that hit at Arizona, Phoenix. Arizona, Phoenix, what the heck. This is the exact same storm that hit in Phoenix. We went to the state fair. See, it's Tuesday, Sunday night, and it was just pouring like shit. Yeah, pouring like shit. It was so pouring, it was so thick. It was the wind, it was just blazing fast. And it was I think some of the rides over there looked like it was gonna fall down. The games and stuff, you know, like the stands. Get back inside. The games and stands where you play games at. Yeah, those guys freaking got poured out too. Freaking A. That was an epic storm. 7 minutes. Yeah, the internet, the Wi-Fi is still up. Man. That was a cool storm in October.
Look, another piece.
Nobody cares now.
See my heel.
Pellet size. It's so slippery. Pellet size, guys.
I hope those two hail pieces dry up really. Oh, good.
That was an epic storm, guys. Man, the lightning was extremely close. Hear that? That's the thunder. That lightning was extremely close. And it was super bright and astronomically loud as crap. But anyways.
As you can see, I'm very scared. I have this thing around my hip.
So
I can't hear.
if the storm starts up again, if everything happens again, because we're back at home now. We came back last night.
Oh, fuck, that's scary.
So yeah, guys, like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see some more videos. I'm trying to make videos daily now because I'm on fall break. It's the second day of fall break because it's Tuesday. October, let's see, what is it, 20th? Yeah, I think it's October 20th, 2015. And it's still thunderstorming. If you guys heard that thunder, yeah, it's still freaking thunderstorming. In October, who knows, in December, around Christmas time, it could still be thunderstorming. And who knows? Maybe this year we might actually get an extremely storm. Alpine.
AG.
So yeah, guys, share this video too. Jerry's Gaming out.